Now the On Your Side forecast with Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval.
2-3 inches of snow around the valley this morning, then temperatures pop back up. Look at this, 30s and 40s, 42 for the high temperature in Boise today. Up in the mountains, Stanley 36 degrees. It's been snowing a lot in the higher elevations up in the Stanley area. Just downpours of snow. There could be another 1 to 2 feet of snow here before it finally starts to dry out as we head over the weekend. That's when we'll start to get some sunshine returning, but it is a winter wonderland at the higher elevations. Highway 21 closed up Banner Summit because of the fact that just too much snow. The avalanche danger is too high. Doppler radar shows we had some showers push through Boise a little while ago, and look at that lightning. Lightning showing up right here around Pine and Featherville. Some showers and storms trying to pop up with this system as it pushes on through. That could occur again maybe even on Friday with another cold front. The trend will be for some drier weather to move on in. I want to show you the Magic Valley drying out after about 4 inches of snow in the Twin Falls area. Still snowing up around Haley and points to the north. Had snow up in Arco today in Cary. But here in this region here, we have the chance for some flooding. And east of Burley, where the turnoff is right here, we've got a road closure. And I want to show you right here. Basically, the Raft River is flooding over the interstate right here. Last night it closed. My wife was actually traveling in this direction last night and had to go through water that was almost 1.5 feet deep. And the other side, there were people that were stuck there for a little while because the water had just begun to rise over the interstate. That is still a problem. It is closed right now with water over the roadway. No report yet. They said yesterday it could be a couple of days. Well, today's day 2. And so, again, the interstate is closed here for you folks in the eastern Magic Valley. You can't get to eastern Idaho unless you go up through Arco, through the snow, or down through Salt Lake City that extra length of time. So there you see a flood. This is an aerial flood warning in effect there in eastern Magic Valley and south of Twin Falls, or Twin Falls proper southward here. This is an aerial flood advisory. So again, the melting snow causing some issues here. And you look, there's more moisture coming. A little dry weather, a little wedge of dry weather working its way in for tonight and for the first part of tomorrow. But more moisture coming in from California. There's the Hawaiian Islands at the bottom of the screen here. That was a popular place to bring moisture from. And more moisture is tracking on in. A huge surge of moisture coming in for Thursday into Friday before we finally start to dry it out. In fact, you look at the Treasure Valley. This is going to set up very much like it was before, and unfortunately this map didn't want to update, but I will tell you this. 2 to 3 inches of moisture content of the central mountains, while the valley is only going to see maybe a couple of hundredths of an inch, maybe a tenth of an inch of precipitation. As far as the snowfall goes, there it is, 1 to 2 feet up in the Stanley area. McCall, you could get 2 or 3 inches of snow between generally tomorrow, later in the day, but on Thursday the snow levels are going to shoot up. So places that have been getting snow, 5,000 feet, 5,500 feet will be turning to rain, at least briefly now. So it won't be a huge melt, but you're going to be getting rain over snow in places you've been getting snow most of the season. As a big surge of warming comes in, probably some rain. Snow turning to rain even at Bogus Basin on Thursday. Afternoon showers tomorrow. Should be dry with some fog around during the morning, but more melting later in the day as temperatures get into the mid-40s coming up for tomorrow. In the west central mountains, got a good chance for late in the day for some snow coming in. It'll be a mixed rain and snow down at 4,000 feet with snow up around the McCall area of 1 to 4 inches possible later in the day. And then we'll start to warm up tomorrow night, while around the Camas Prairie you could have mixed precipitation, more snow likely late in the day in the Stanley area. And a quick check at the Magic Valley. Watch out again for the road closure east of the Magic Valley. Up to 49 in Twin Falls tomorrow with some rain coming in late in the day. Here's my On Your Side extended forecast. And look at this, a couple of 51 showing up Thursday and Friday. Friday morning, 41 degrees with a high temperature of 51. Massive melting coming in. And then sunshine over the weekend. Are you kidding me?
Bring it on.
A little bit of spring. I like it.